What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage, coming to you with a couple of things we're working on and something coming down the pike. First off, a 66. Sorry, we got fans everywhere because it's hot as here. This is a 66. It's got some Eleanor bits on it. Built 289. Hi, Derry. Has the Eleanor front nose on it. This actually, unfortunately, rolled off a trailer. And so this is going to need some fiberglass work and new fender and stuff like that. But overall, pretty awesome setup. We are using the American Auto Wire wiring harness, the classic update kit in this. Also, new gauges. These are Dakota Digital. It's on demo mode right now, but these are the Dakota Digital VHX gauges. So they're a little bit digital, but they still kind of look old school. Waiting on a bezel for this, but really, really cool product. Fairly easy to install. Lots of different options you can do with this as well. Awesome product by Dakota Digital. But yeah, this thing, Derry, you came up with an awesome name for this car. What did you name this car?
Dollar General.
Dollar General, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's funny as shit. Okay, on to the next. Over the last, I don't know, couple of months, I've had the car for a while. We've been talking about a 67 garbage can, the green garbage can that we've nicknamed Oscar. And we're gonna start ripping her apart. So what we're gonna do, and you might think I'm a little bit crazy here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take all this, not the Cadillac, that'd be really, really cool though. North Star V8 supercharged in a Mustang. That's maybe later on down the road. We're gonna take all of this and we're gonna make this look like a fastback. Look at all of her glory, this 67 Mustang C code, no motor, no trans. This thing is awesome. It looks horrible, but I did a breakdown a little while back on picking out a coupe for conversion and things to look for and stuff, and this has all the right stuff in the right places. We're gonna have to do a little bit of a floor patch over there, as you can see a little bit of daylight, but the rest of the floor is in really, really good condition. This thing is just haggard, but it's haggard in the right places. Because we know that we're going to be replacing quarter panels anyway. We're going to be replacing roof and her structure. So all we need is good bones. This is Oscar, ladies and gentlemen, and she is going to look brand new when we're done. I just said Oscar and I called her a she. Well, like cars are chicks, you know, and then we name it Oscar. Should we name it like Osket or something? Oscarina? I don't know. I don't know. But good news, Oscar is actually going to be sold as a roller. So Oscar is for sale right now. Please reach out, lostsocketgarage@gmail.com, or comment below. We can reach out, connect. If you're interested in taking Oscar home when Oscarina is, when the car's done, if you want to take it home, definitely hit us up, because as it sits right now, we have a lot of options. We could do Shelby bits on it. We could do Mustang 2 front end, which we did in our last video. We could do 4-link suspension and back. If this is not sold ahead of time, we're just going to do stock suspension. We're going to line the whole thing with Rhino lining inside and underneath. We'll epoxy prime the outside, and it's gonna look great. So we're gonna do some upcoming videos, but if you are interested in a 67 coupe to fastback conversion roller, definitely reach out, lostsocketgarage@gmail.com, or leave a comment and we'll link up. All right, definitely like and subscribe if you wanna see upcoming videos on Oscar, and until next time, do what you love, don't be a dick, and as always, never be tamed. Peace!